Hi everybody, I am online editor-in-chief Gracie Warda, and I am with assistant print editor-in-chief Lydia Podolstag, and we are on our way down to the MIPA summer workshop right now.
I raised my hand because they needed a volunteer, and I think it was better.
And now you're doing a relay race?
What?
You're doing a relay
Yeah,
race?
I'm doing a relay race, and I have to do something athletic.
And we have to do everything up there, right?
That's why you lost one game.
Fake money.
Currently, we're on our way to our first seminar. We're filling up our water bottles.
Osmosis.
Stay hydrated.
It's really hot here.
Yes, and we will be vlogging it later as well, so see you there.
Thank you. How are you guys tonight? All right? So if I understand this correctly, this is day one, right? Yeah. So you guys are just getting started, which is awesome. First and foremost, I want to.
Okay, hi everybody. I am with photo editor Miranda Stark right now, and we are on our way to the second class of the morning.
First class in the morning.
Or it's the first class of the morning.
Second class of the camp.
Right.
Here we go.
Hi, I'm Chloe. I'm a first year writer.
Today, I guess right now, we are at a press conference with a professional tattoo artist at,
Campbell.
yes, his name is Cam Pohl. He is a professional tattoo artist, and he's on the show Ink Masters, and he actually came to MIPA when he was here and won, or when he was our age, and he won an award for Illustrator. So we're here with a press conference. Chloe's going to be asking some questions. It's going to be a fun time.
Hi, I'm Chloe. I'm from Fenton High School. How did you make the switch from paper to skin?
Again, it's just kind of like a just do it scenario. You know, the whole Nike thing, they kind of know what they're talking about. Because, like,
All right, hi guys. We just saw an early screening of Blinded by the Light. I'm with most of the newspaper students. There's our sports columnist Lucas DeWicki and reviewer John Sabato. So keep your eyes peeled for a review of that early screening that we just got. And now we are headed back to the dorms for check-in, and that was our first full day of MIPA. Woo! Good morning, everyone. We are on our way down for breakfast right now. I didn't get to vlog very much yesterday, but we had this panel of LGBTQ plus representatives. So our panelists included Oprah Revish, Laura Slee, George White, and Cody Wallinga. And they all talked about different LGBTQ plus issues.
I'm gonna do magic today.
There you go.
But I'm actually just here to introduce the actual act. It's not me. So once he's ready, we're all gonna look at him and give him a good entrance. All right? Are you ready? Yeah. All right. If you all give your attention up there.
In the summertime, when the weather is hot, you can stretch right up and touch the sky. When the weather's fine, you got women on your mind.
Tequila. Alright, hey, we gotta take a break from the comedy. I have to say something I've been wanting to get off my chest. I'd like to take this moment to endorse podiums. Now that's a product I can stand behind.
Hello. We are on our way to take a group photo right now. And after that, we have one last kind of wrap-up meeting with all of our classmates and our teacher. And then we come back for the award ceremony. So we'll see how that goes. Keep you posted.
We're taking a picture of Sparty and we're gonna get like a regular
Abigail Biggs from Fenton. Miranda Stark from Fenton. And our Sparty. And Chloe Crouch from Fenton High School.
Yes!
Gracie Horta from Fenton.